What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Greg and today we're making some steak ramen noodles. Hope y'all enjoy. Alright, first things first is you're gonna get yourself a pot, and I already got ahead of myself and I went to go ahead and boil the water. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna boil a pot of water. That's hot. You're gonna boil a pot of water like that, and once it gets boiling, you're gonna get a spoon. You're gonna put 3 eggs. Well, I'm cooking for 3 people, so however many people you're cooking for, that's how many eggs you're gonna use, and you're gonna slightly put it in there without it splashing or the egg cracking. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna let that egg boil for 6 minutes. Alright, while the eggs are boiling, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get some soy sauce. You're gonna open it up. I go ahead and take this plastic piece out, as so. You're gonna add 1 cup of soy sauce. You're gonna do, where'd it go? Rice vinegar. Get your rice vinegar. You're gonna add about, not much, just about that much right there. About a tablespoon maybe. And then of rice vinegar. Then you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. A little extra for good luck. Then you're gonna mix it up. And this is what's gonna be our egg marinade. Alright, now it's been 6 minutes. We're gonna come over here. We're gonna take these eggs off. We're gonna dunk them immediately right into an ice bath. Alright, now they're gonna sit in this ice bath for 5 minutes. See y'all in 5 minutes. Alright, it's been a total of 5 minutes now. You go ahead and get these eggs out. As so. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna crack these. We're gonna go ahead and take that shell off. I am not good at this. Alright, once you get done peeling your eggs and everything, throw it in that marinade that we made. You got your 3 eggs sitting in the marinade. Alright, so next on the list is making the sauce for our ramen. So what we're gonna do, so you're gonna get your bowl. You got this mayo of some sort of mayo. It's a, I'll leave it, I'll write it right here. That's what it's called. Some sort of mayo. Open it up. We're gonna put it in here. Like that. You're gonna get your sriracha. Get some sriracha sauce. Like that. You got your 3 packs of ramen. Get out the seasonings. And then get you a bowl. Get you an egg. Crack your egg. Like that. And all we need is the egg yolk. So what we're gonna do is I get a water bottle. Suck that egg up. No. Alright, come on. We got it. There we go. Like that. Just like that. And then get your whisk. Mix it all on up. Just like that. Next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our steaks. with our steaks, the only seasoning that we're gonna add is salt. Get you a nice little coat of salt. As so. And then we're gonna add pepper. Pat. Just like that, and we're gonna pat it in, as so. And then we'll grab our skillet, put it over here, turn that on, get you some olive oil. You're gonna put it on. My bad, vegetable oil. Rotate it around before that pan gets too hot or you're not gonna be able to do it. Just like that, that's plenty. And then once that heats up, we're gonna throw the steak on and cook the steak. All right, and there's one big thing that I almost forgot. It's the garlic, the best part. It goes in your sauce. I almost forgot to add the garlic. Now we're got everything. Give it a little mix. Now your sauce is done. All right, so before we cook the steak, that's hot. Throw in your noodles. Hot, hot, hot. We're gonna let that boil. Now, get our steaks. Come over here. Cook it for about, I usually do about 2 minutes, and then I'll flip it. And whenever I flip it, I'm gonna add butter. All right, spend 2 minutes, get our steak, flip it on over. Whenever we flip it over, I'm gonna add my butter. It's garlic butter, but it's my favorite type of butter. Then we're gonna let it cook for another two minutes. All right, so the noodles are done. Hey, stop. Noodles are done, so what we're gonna do is you're gonna grab this, pour a little bit of water in there, like that. Put that back on. We're done cooking, but I'm just gonna let that sit until the steak is done. I'm gonna go ahead and flip these again. See how we're looking. We're getting there. Still got ways to go. We're gonna give it another 2 minutes. All right, it's been another 2 minutes. Go ahead and flip. We're getting there, almost there. Probably about another 2 minutes, then we're good. All right, now these steaks are done. What I'm gonna do, grab these. Grab my cutting board. Throw them on the cutting board. We're going to set the cutting board down. Let me grab my glove. Grab this skillet. Just like that. And we're gonna let this steak rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. While we're waiting for the steak to rest, we're gonna go ahead and start making up the bowl. So you're gonna get your sauce. Pour some in. Like that. Come over here. We're gonna get our noodles. Like that, and then we still got about 2 or 3 minutes for the steak to rest, so we're gonna wait, cut up some pieces, and then put it in there and make it look all pretty.
4 minutes later.
Alright, so now what we're gonna do is get our steaks. We're gonna get you a nice piece, right? About like that. And you're just gonna cut thin slices. Get one. I'm gonna get mine. Go ahead and make them look all pretty. Get your egg. You should just be able to. Oh yeah. That. Then we're gonna give it a try. Alright, now time for my favorite part, trying it. That's so good. That's so good. Easy to make ramen. It's really good, and yeah, you don't really get to eat ramen that often, so might as well make it good whenever you eat it, and it's pretty easy. Alright, I appreciate y'all watching. This is how I make my steak ramen, and if you don't mind, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see me cook next. Appreciate y'all watching.